Hi guys! Today we are making a delicious roasted eggplant soup. This recipe is also suitable for vegans. Let's get started! For this recipe you will need 3 medium eggplants, 4 medium potatoes, 3 garlic cloves, or you can use less if you don't like the garlic so much, and 2 onions. Wash and cut the eggplants into fours and lay them into an oven-proof dish. Then add the potatoes, the garlic and the onion. Then you want to drizzle over some olive oil, season well with some salt, and some pepper. And lastly, I'm adding my favorite spice, some dried thyme. Then you want to cover the dish well with aluminium foil and bake it in the oven. For the baking instructions, please check description box. Then remove the vegetables from the oven and allow them to be so for an hour. They will become even more soft. Then add all of the vegetables into a medium pot. Pour over half a liter of water and 1 can of coconut milk. Then you want to blend the soup, or well, the vegetables, with an immersion blender, or you can also use a blender, whichever you prefer. Then if you want, you can add some more water. I added about 200 milliliters of water after I blended the soup so that it would be more soup-like and not so thick. Now you want to heat the soup on medium heat just until it starts to boil. Make a taste test for salt and for other spices, and then if needed add some extra salt and pepper if you like. Mix all well again and allow to be on heat for about a couple of minutes, and then the soup is ready to serve. You can serve this soup either cold or warm. I really enjoy eating this soup cold with some olive oil drizzled on top and a little bit of pomegranate seeds. I hope you liked this recipe, and if you did, please don't forget to leave me a like and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye until next time.